Alright, I've been waiting for these for a minute. Actually, not that long for what they are. So these are Speedhut gauges. They will customize them however you want. So I just I try to make it, I want to look kind of OEM like it belongs there. So just a Chevelle like it is on the back of the Chevelle. Little Chevrolet symbol. This will be RPM with the warning shift light. This will be fuel, mile an hour, left blinker, right blinker, high beam. It has a trip meter, it's GPS. I'll discuss it more when it's in, but I'm gonna put these into the old Camaro faces. So what I did was cut this out after fully like dissecting the cluster, and then these should fit right in those holes if my measurements are right. If anything, I'm gonna have to make it a little thinner, which I'll just do with the Dremel. But yeah, it's gonna be super dope, man. I'm super excited. This is why the dash took forever. I was just trying to figure out what kind of gauges I wanted to go with. I was debating whether to use the Holley 12-inch or the 6-inch. The 12-inch would have worked, but I think it would have made the build look completely different than what I'm actually trying to do. I'm not building a race car, so building a street car, I'm just building straight what I want to build. So and that would have thrown it to a whole different, it would have been like straight race car. Just going over the wiring for the gauges. So it's the inverter for the lights. Splits off into two, and then the power, white is lighting, black's ground, and this is the same plug for both gauges. This is the RPM, which you have to run a resistor. They give you the resistor though. So and then this is right blinker, this is high beam, and then left blinker, and this is the fuel gauge, fuel level gauge that goes back into the harness back there. It's just tapped into the fuel wire, the fuel sender wire that goes to the fuel tank, and then it's grounded. So the loom I have on the back of the gauge is super long, so that I can, because to access all my wires, it's gonna suck to get it from under the dash. So what I did was made the harness really long so I can pull the gauge cluster out and not have to like mess with the dash. I'll have access to all that stuff through the gauge cluster. So I'll show you the loom on the gauges now. This is the back side of the gauges. So this is for the inverter, and then power, ground, illumination. And this is the fuel pump. This is, because you've seen in the car, these are hella short, but so these are the, I don't remember which one, but blinker, I have it written on here. So left blinker, right blinker, high beam, and then this one's just plug and play. So again, power, ground, illumination, inverter, and then RPM, and then GPS for the speedometer. So back to it. So I'm going to test these, see if they come on or what. Let's see if I wired them up right. Okay, cool. That looks good. So I don't have the fuel level hooked up, so that's why it's reading red. Let me see if this dimmer works. Oh wait, I gotta pull it out. I haven't used this shit in so long. So that works. Is it dimming? Oh yeah, it's dimming. Okay, cool. You can kind of see it on this one. Okay, cool. So I was just testing it before I put this dash in, so I don't have to mess with wiring. Alright, I gotta check the RPM before I put the dash all in, so should be the last time I gotta check anything. Let's see how it goes. speakers on. But yeah, it works. Cool. All right, back to it. So again, just finished product. I'm in the dark. I don't want to plug my light in, so I'm pretty sure you guys can see. So right here will be the controller, the Holly controller. Then when I go turbo, there'll be a gauge up here for boost. So let me show you this backside. So there's the backside. I still got to drill another hole for the GPS, and then it'll clip down. I'll put some grommets in there and I'll loom it up like I did the one in the car. So that way it's just one piece. When I pull it out, it's not hella wire. So it's the final product. Still super dusty. Like, I think it looks super clean like that. So